The easy way to jumpstart your online business, a beginner's guide. Hi, my name is Charlie Fuller, certified business coach for over 20 years. I want to welcome you to the beginner's guide on how to jumpstart your online business the easy way. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur or just looking to make some extra income online, our program will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to get started. So with the ever-growing digital landscape, building an online business has never been more accessible, but it can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. And that's where our guide comes in. We're going to walk you through the essentials from finding the right niche, which is a big one, and setting up your website to drive traffic and converting visitors into customers. You're going to learn how to optimize your online presence for search engines, crafting compelling content, and effectively using social media to promote your business. Plus, we're going to share with you some valuable tips from successful online entrepreneurs who have been in your shoes. So don't let the technical jargon and the vast amount of information discourage you. We have simplified that. So even if you have no prior experience, you're going to be able to follow along easily. So get ready to take your first step toward building a thriving online business. Next, let's review the major steps that you're going to want to implement.
Starting an online business offers countless advantages. It provides an opportunity to reach a global audience, operate 24/7, and keep overhead costs low. Plus, it gives you the freedom to work from anywhere. But let's address some common misconceptions. Contrary to popular belief, starting an online business doesn't require you to be a technology wizard or to have a massive budget. What it does require is determination, a good strategy, and a clear understanding of your target audience. The first step is to find your niche and identify your target audience. This is a critical step that shapes the direction of your business. Consider what you're passionate about, what you're good at, and where there's a gap in the market that you could fill. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to build your online presence. This typically involves creating a website and establishing a presence on social media. Your website is your online storefront, while social media is your megaphone to the world. Both are critical in reaching your target audience and building your brand. Having a website and social media profiles alone isn't enough. You also need compelling and optimized content. This is what will draw people in and keep them coming back. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or podcasts, your content should be high quality, relevant, and engaging. Effective marketing strategies are key to driving traffic to your site and converting visitors into customers. This might involve search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, email marketing, or social media marketing. The best approach will depend on your business and target audience. Once your online business is up and running, it's all about managing and scaling. This involves monitoring your progress, analyzing your performance, making necessary adjustments, and finding ways to grow. It's a continuous process of learning and improvement. So there you have it, a simple guide to starting an online business. Remember, the key steps are finding your niche, building your online presence, creating compelling content, implementing effective marketing strategies, and managing and scaling your business. Starting an online business may seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's entirely achievable. So why not take the first step today? Your digital empire awaits.